G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Now there's a new notes experience rolling out to Microsoft Teams that is powered by OneNote. So every new standard channel that gets created in your team now will come with a notes tab that is powered by OneNote. Any new team that gets created, again, the notes experience will be powered by OneNote. But what about your pre-existing teams, the one or the channels as well that don't have a notes tab? How do we incorporate this new experience? So that's what we're going to tackle today. Now you can see here, I'm in the sales and marketing team in the general channel. We don't have a notes tab. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you this experience first. We're going to add a channel. All right, so let's go year end and we'll create a new standard channel. That's going to spin this channel up. Now, as part of this process, what's going to happen is a new tab is going to appear next to files. That's going to be called notes. But we won't have one in the monthly reports channel or the general channel either. So what if we wanted to have that notes experience in those channels? So here, that notes tab has now appeared and you can see that OneNote is getting this notes tab ready. So what's happening in the background is it's using the OneNote notebook that is associated to the group connected SharePoint site but in the background. And what happens here is that a new section is created as part of that notebook. All right, so every channel gets its own section. So that's now happening. But what about these pre-existing channels? Let's say we want to have a notes tab for our monthly reports channel. So what we can do is hit the add a tab button across the top and we can choose OneNote. Now that is then going to fetch the notebooks. All right, so once that has done, where the notebook that's associated to this sales and marketing team is going to appear here. So you can see here, I've got sales and marketing and it is the default team notebook. I can expand this and then I can create a new section. So let's create a new section and call this monthly reports and let's save that. Now what's going to happen is that is going to set up that tab with that section and is now part of that notebook. All right, so we can see there it's setting up the new tab. Once that's done, it's going to appear as a tab up the top there. It's called monthly reports, okay, but we can change that to whatever name that we want to. So there is the notes tab in a pre-existing channel. You can see that we can navigate to our notebook and we've got our monthly reports and there's our section called year end. That's the one that was automatically created down here when we created that new channel called year end. All right, so there we go. A nice, easy way for you to create a notes tab in pre-existing channels in your team that facilitates and works with the new note-taking experience that is powered by OneNote. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.